Hello everyone, my name is Ayman. I'm from Sudan. I have bachelor degree in software engineering and also I have worked as a full stack developer for you can say over 5 years experience as a full stack developer. I have worked with a lot of technology from analyzing to deliver final project. And this is involved working with backend and working with Node.js, Express.js, also Python, Django, PHP, also Laravel, and also I have worked with a lot of ASP.NET tools and .NET Core. And also I have experience with version control system like GitHub or GitLab, and I have ability to organize tasks and working with projects that involve a lot of teams members. And my core skills is analyzing a project from being just an idea to deliver it as a final project. And also I have experience with ERP solution, and I have worked with Odoo and involving doing customization or working with building a ERP solution from start to finish. And I think my best and core skills is I have analytic skills, and I have ability to analyze and thinking deeper in project or in idea, and I have shaped myself to have good analytic skills. My best achievement right now I work with Teach software and or Teach web application. I call it EduSkill Bridge, and this application we built it for students, instructor, and it link instructor and student with each other, and it bring not only education, it bring also education and interacting. This is make users interacting with each other, with each other, and make it it's not just learning, it's learning and share knowledge with all users. And also we have bring a lot of payment method in this web application, like Coinbase, if users want to pay using currencies like Ethereum or any kind of coin. Also, we have bring bank payment, and the idea of bank payment is you will pay, and you after paying the course or the platform fee, you will bring invoice, and you will submit this invoice an admin. When he see this invoice, he will issue the payment. So this is make our platform have ability to using a bank payment. Also we have integrated PayPal, and also we have integrated ChatGPT or a lot of AI like Happy Face or DeepSeek, so students can using it in our platform to pay and to have more knowledge using AI. And also we have bring online classes. A lot of teach technology not have this feature, and I'm talking about Udemy or Coursera. They have didn't include this feature, and this feature is aimed to make user and students and instructor engage in real class, not only tutorial where they send it a video. No, they can interact with each other using online class, and we have built our own Zoom. We didn't integrate Zoom or anything like that in our platform. We just built a whole Zoom system integrate. We use library like WebSocket to achieve this and build this idea. And also we have a lot of feature in this platform. And I think is my and I think and also I have ability to work with the team and also as individual, and also I have ability to organize. For example, when we work on project, we have ability to do deep thinking to analyze this project topics and use cases and take in place where this, for example, where these users he will do in this platform, or this user or this. So we take our rules and we take our scenario when we are building projects, and also I have ability to build a platform and continue integration, continue developing the project. It's not about building project and deliver it to customer. No, it's about to delivering to customer and also track any change can happen on any mistake on any error. So the development is continuous. It's not about just finish the project and it's but no. You have to keep up with the project and searching for parts or for anything can go wrong in future. So thank you for this opportunity, and I hope we can proceed to and meet each other and maybe have opportunity with your great company. Thank you very much.